on, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on making press-on nails with regular polish. We're going to see if it works. We're going to see which one works best, and I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. It is highly requested, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. So for the sake of this video, I'm only going to be doing a half of a set, and I already buffed the nails and applied base coat. I'm using my 𝐒𝐻𝐻 Soak Off Nail base coat. I really love this base coat, and it's a gel, of course. So I'm using a gel base coat and a gel top coat for these sets, and I'll explain why in a little bit. So the nail polish I'm using is the Mischo Beauty nail polish, and the color is Lacquer of Love. I'll put it in the description box below, but this is a really good nail polish. Like I said, I already did this video before, so I've already tested out these nail polishes, and this gave me the best result. The goal is to apply 2 layers of polish, sometimes 3, but as thin as possible so they dry quicker. If you're heavy-handed like me, you'll apply a little bit more polish, so it may take a little longer to dry. So just let that be mindful. But this is my first layer, and then later on in the video, you'll see me apply my second layer. So while these are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the LA colored regular polishes that I have. Like I said, I've already tested these, and this is a gel light shine, no UV light needed, and this is the Color Last, and it's supposed to last up to 10 days with any Color Last top coat, right? But honestly, I've used a regular top coat with these, and they smudged immediately. Like, it was bad. I honestly suggest, if you do use these, if you do want to test it out, use a gel top coat and see if that works. I didn't try these two with the gel top coat because I honestly just did not like how the application was going. If you guys do want me to go into detail and actually make videos about these two, I will, but these are a no for me. They are a no. So definitely not on my regular nail polish tip. So the next one that really shocked me is the Sally Hansen Insta Dry. This worked wonders. This literally topped off with a gel top coat works perfect. No smudging. Literally, as long as it is a no wipe top coat, make sure it's definitely a no wipe top coat. Once this dries, the second coat of this, and you dry it and you apply your nails, you are fine. Like, it's perfect. So you can use regular nail polish with a gel top coat, and I'm going to show you guys that, of course, now. But you know, Sally Hansen runs around $9 to $10, I think. I'm pretty sure you can find these in bulk, but this is definitely a go. If you want to make press-on nails with regular nail polish, Sally Hansen is your better affordable brand to use. Now, if you guys have used the LA colors and it worked for you, maybe it was just me, but I do not suggest those. Disclaimer, I did not buy this polish. This came out of my mom's Etsy kit, so I did not personally pay $20 for this nail polish. So yeah, just throwing that out there. What's gonna make or break your regular polish press-on nails is using a non-wipe top coat. A no-wipe top coat is the key to the success of your nails. To add some personality to the nails, I end up adding these 3D charms, and I really loved how these nails turned out. When I applied the nail, I did experience some bubbling up of the polish and the top coat, maybe because of me not letting it dry all the way completely, or because of the soft gel nail tip I used. One or the other. Definitely keep that in mind when you do this experiment yourself. Definitely try not to make it with a real set that you're going to give to somebody. Try to practice it out first, see how it comes out.